You'll get your email, and all you'll need to do is click on a PDF, and you can print that off on your printer just on ordinary 8.5 by 11 paper. And this is what you'll get for each challenge. This is 3 views of the same object that you're going to try to build. We've got the top view, the front view, and the side view. And this is the standard way that technical drawings are set up. So if you're ever going to do work with 3D printers, or your children are, this is an essential skill for you all to understand. Plus, I think you're going to find that these are fun puzzles to do. So when I'm looking at these, I find it the easiest to start by looking at the top view. And here we see there's 10 blocks lined up in 2 rows. So I'm just going to create that first. Even without looking at any of these, I can be sure that this row is at least going to be like that. And I can also see these grayish pieces, which represent the round Fourple pieces. So I can put those in place and do the things that I'm sure of. But you can see from these that there's more dimension to this, and we can't tell which direction it's going just by looking at this drawing. In order to create this, I know sometimes you look at this and you think you know how it's going to be, but you really do need all 3 views to get it absolutely right. And that's why engineers do this as well. So when you're looking at these drawings, anytime you see a dark colored block instead of a light colored, that means that there's at least two or more blocks in that row. So we know from looking at this that this is a single row, and these blocks correspond to these blocks, and it's actually this as well. So now if we go to the side view, we can see that going from here, we're looking at in this direction, and we can see that there's 4 blocks there. And we might start by knowing if we put 4 blocks like that, it would look like this picture, but we know since those are dark that there's going to be at least 1 more on the other side. So we can put those there. And then if we look at this, we know that from this view, there's going to be 2 looking in this direction. And we also know from, if we're looking from the front, that we're going to be looking at 2 blocks here. So that's why we know that those go there. So from the front view, these 2 blocks are these blocks. These 2 are looking here, and these 2 blocks are looking right here. And these black pieces are looking at the wheels on the train. And then to get the position for this, we see that this block is positioned right in the middle of these blocks here, like that. And that shows you those different views. And we can see from these views that there's a stack of 2. So that's how we built ourselves a cute little train engine. And that's our challenge for this month. And you can build other things with the blocks, and wait until next month when you get something new and interesting to do. Thank you for helping us with our Kickstarter campaign.